In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept ownership of a file or folder in Google Drive on a computer. This is useful when someone transfers a document to you and you need full control. Things like changing sharing settings, organizing it in your drive, and having it count toward your storage. I'll guide you through the process and share a few tips to avoid common mix-ups. Start by opening the email inbox where you receive the ownership transfer notification. This message is automatically sent by Google on behalf of the person who transferred the item. It typically lands in your primary inbox, but if you don't see it right away, try searching for the phrase Ownership Transfer Invitation and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Make sure you're signed into the email account that has access to the shared file, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Open the email titled Ownership Transfer Invitation. Inside, you'll see details about the file or folder being transferred and a button to accept the transfer. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right item so you don't accept something you don't need. Click the Accept Ownership button in the email. This will open a new browser tab that takes you to Google Drive. If your default browser signs you into the wrong Google account, don't worry. We'll fix that in the next step. If prompted, sign into the Google account the file was shared with. Look in the top right corner for your account avatar to confirm you're using the correct account. If you're on the wrong one, switch to the right account before continuing. Occasionally, organizational settings can limit transfers across domains. If you see a message about permissions, you may need to contact your administrator for help. Once you're in the correct account, click Accept to confirm the ownership transfer. This completes the handoff. From now on, you're the owner. That means you control sharing and can move or rename the item. The previous owner's access may change depending on how the transfer was configured, but typically they remain an editor unless they chose otherwise. The file or folder is now owned by your Google account and appears in My Drive. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page, check the Recent section, or use the search bar and type the file or folder name. Remember, once you own it, the item counts toward your storage quota. So plan accordingly if the file is large. That's how you accept ownership of a file or folder in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.